question 24. To celebrate this year, or the year of the paper, 2001, a square pavement is made using equal-sized square tiles, coloured either red or blue. In the pattern, all the tiles are red, apart from those along the two main diagonals, which are made using a total of 2001 blue tiles. How many red tiles are needed? So if I drew, it's a square pattern. I'm going to have B's along here, blues are along here, blues along here, blues along here. And because I've got 2001 blue, there will be one tile in the middle. Because I've got an odd number. I can't have a square and then even legs here. So therefore I've got I then take this number here. So I've got the blue in here, and then I need to find out the number of tiles in this row, these diagonals here. So I take the 2000 and divide by 4. Now, this means there will be 500 tiles in this diagonal here. There is just one tile here, and there'll be another 500 here. So if this length here, all the lengths, are 1001, then I can work out the total number of red plus blue tiles. Now, I don't like doing that as a column method. So the way that I'm actually going to do that is by breaking this up. I'm going to say, well, actually, I'm not going to multiply this by this. I'm going to multiply this by 1000, add 1. It's the same thing as this. But now what I can do is say that we've got, sorry, much better. 1000 plus 1 is 1001. Everything outside the bracket multiplied by everything inside the bracket. I'm going to put it in column addition because I need to line up all those zeros and make sure I've done it correctly. So I've got this is the total number of tiles, and therefore I'm going to take total, subtract blue equals red tiles. And so I've got 1002001 subtract 2001, the number of blue tiles. Oh, sorry. 1002001 subtract 2001. You can put in the fact that it's a million there if you want to. And that gives us 1 million red tiles. And that is what we're looking for. Yes, how many red tiles? And that's answer